In this video, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office activated for lifetime. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click first link from Microsoft, or just use first link in video description. Scroll down and press this download button. If downloading didn't start, click on File and select Download Unverified File. This will download the Office Deployment Tool. Next, search for Office Customization Tool. The very first link will be from Microsoft. Click on it, or just use second link in video description. Next, we have to select our system configurations. Keep it 64-bit. Scroll down and in the Office Suites, select Office LTS Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Now scroll down, keep everything as it is, and press the Next button. Now, select your preferred language. Press the Next button. Scroll down, press the Next button, scroll down, and here we have to turn off, uninstall any MSI version of Office. If you don't have any other Office version installed in your computer, then scroll down, press the Next button, scroll down, press the Next button again, press the Next button, and scroll to the bottom. You will see the Finish button. Click on it. Now, this is the configuration that we generated. Press on this Export button. Select Office Open XML formats. Press OK. Accept the license. Click on Export. If downloading didn't start, click on File and select Download Unverified File. This will download the configuration that we created. Next, we need to go to the location where files are downloaded. Now here, we have to create a new folder. Now, give a name to this folder as Office. Then put downloaded files into this folder. Go into New Folder and right-click on this Office Deployment Tool and select Run as Administrator. Accept the license. Press the Continue button. Now, we have to select a folder where we want these files to be extracted. Now, inside Downloads, we created a folder, Office, select it, and press the OK button. Press OK, and this will extract all our files inside Office folder. Now, we have to put Office folder to our C drive. Then we must execute some commands in our terminal. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD. Right-click on this command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Write this command or copy it from video description. Then write one more command. I left it in video description as well. This will start downloading the Office. Now, we have successfully installed Microsoft Office. Now, you can close all these windows. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Excel. See, we have installed Excel. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.